Well, let's talk about two things that are very important and the useful things. You know, in English, we use THE, spelling THE, and pronunciation becomes the, sometimes the. Do you know the difference between the and the? When we should make a sound like the, when we should make a pronunciation like the. Well, let me clear you. When we are talking about a thing that is must be a noun and it begins with a vowel sound. So a noun begins with vowel sounds and you are using a determiner before it, and it could be the. You should use it like the. Well, I'm giving you some examples to clear it, like the elephant, the umbrella, like that. Well, let's move to the second thing, like the. When you use the, when you are talking about something and the noun begins with consonant sounds, so you should use the determiner sounds like the. Well, giving you again some examples like the fan, the person, the cup, the jug. There's lots of things begins with consonant sounds, so you can use determiner and make a pronunciation of it like the. Well, the another thing I would love to talk about, the differences between there is and there are. Well, sometimes we use there is, sometimes we use there are. Well, it has a different use. you know when you are talking about something and that is a countable noun, you might know about that. The thing that you can count, that is called countable noun. So when you are talking about countable noun, you can use there are. Well, giving you again examples to clear it, like you are talking about to knife or to pencil or to books. Well, you can use there are. You can count books, you can count knife, you can count pencil. Well, so you can say there are two fans, there are two books, there are two knives. Well, when should you use there is? Well, it's really easy. When you are talking about something that is uncountable noun. Do you know uncountable noun? It's like you can't count them, like sugar, water, all liquids, and there's a lot. So let's give you some example. Well, give me some sugar. So you can say there is some sugar, there is some milk, there is some water on the table. Those are examples of there is. And I would love to say that if you are interested in this video, and you can stay with us by following and liking this video, and I will try to make videos so that you can be grateful, you can be beneficial, you can get some knowledge from this video. And that's the another thing that I upload video is keeping a week or 15 or 20 days later. The reason behind not uploading videos is because of not having enough topics here. The lack of topics makes me feel unpretty, makes me feel boring. So I said, I see I have no topics to talk about. So if I talk with myself and upload it to my face, who will care? Nobody cares about that.